Nah, let's be smart about this.
Wait for it, Eric.
I'm waiting. Come on up. Thank you. Thanks, Ken.
Chicken of the sea.
Man, that backing down is awesome. That's unreal.
Should do it.
Come on, Carl.
Yeah, for an explosion on long rigger, I thought it was going to be yellowfin.
Get her in, baby. Get her in.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a good one. Wind it in.
What? Damn wahoo! Y'all, hey, get that flat line up, Kevin.
Wahoo! That's dinner.
That's dinner.
Wahoo! And we're moving, and we're live.
Get a good picture of that over there.
I'm videoing it.
That's a stud, Hunter.
Nice, Carl.
He got more teeth than anything in the ocean. He should have been right through that mono. We probably won't get him.
Oh, he's leaving. He's leaving. He's running. Bring it in. Don't break the line. Man, he was up close to the boat. He just ran. Do wahoo run like that? Wahoo run like that? Oh, do they? That wahoo.
Guys, for some reason, if we do catch him, y'all get, when he gets him, y'all get out of the way.
Yep.
There's more teeth on that fin, he'll cut your leg in half.
I'm coming up.
All right, come on, Kevin. give Carl and Kevin some room. Henry, get up here and GoPro.
You're on it.
All right. Come on, Wally. Wally, Daddy. Don't drop it. Put your back on it. All right.
What is it, a walnut? Very big.
It's a big one, man. You can see it running up here. Come here, Dad.
Come here. Got more teeth.
Get up against this thing, man. You can watch the thing run. It's crazy.
Yeah, that ain't work.
Yeah. Oh.
You're fine. You're fine.
Yeah, go
Just
by
get
Kevin.
on the side. Yeah, I'm good right here.
All right.
There must have been two of them, Hunter.
He's hungry for Carl. That's a big fish.
I know, I saw it one time.
Did you see it?
Yeah, real quick. Did you?
Yeah. I mean, it was right here and then it took off that way.
There it is.
Look at that thing. You see that? Look at that thing. See? We got shadows. Oh!
Yeah!
Yeah, Carl! Look at that wahoo.